future coders. Welcome back to another video from CodeRobo, where learning coding is fun. In this video, we'll continue with our draw course, where we're working with our alphabet series. Today, we'll try to complete mission number 5. In this mission, we have to draw the alphabet F. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, my plan is to move the robot straight to draw the vertical line. So let's go ahead and make it move. We'll start with 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, we've done the 7 steps. Next, we'll turn right by 90 degrees and move forward by 5 steps to draw the top horizontal line. After that, we'll move backward to return to the original position. Then we'll turn right by 90 degrees again and move forward about 3 steps to reach the middle section. Now, we'll turn right by 90 degrees once more and move forward 4 steps to draw the middle line. Let's wait and see how it turns out. Okay, here's a quick recap. Move forward by 7 steps. Turn right by 90 degrees. Move forward by 5 steps. Move backward by 5 steps. Turn right by 90 degrees. Move forward by 3 steps. Turn left. Move forward by 4 steps. And voila! We've successfully completed mission 5 and drawn the alphabet F. I hope you liked the video. For more videos like this, like, share and subscribe to CodeRobo.